All right, raise your hand if you like comics.
Time starts now, by the way.
Nice. There we go. All right, I'm Julien.
I'm Dhananjaya.
And we're Team DJ, and this is C.O.S.M.I.C. So music and comics already have kind of expanded into each other, and we've kind of seen this in hip-hop mostly. Kanye West has said Akira is his biggest inspiration. Kaz and Takahashi Murakami have both taken anime and manga as great inspirations for their art, and we kind of wanted to leverage this into a tool that musicians can use and comic enjoyers can use. So
what basically we are doing is we take a comic page, put it into our app, we scan for different panels that are there on the comic page, and based on the different panels we have, we kind of create 3-layered music. One music is for the background to set the panel for a particular background music. One is for melody to set the mood of the mood, and one is for the voice to pick up the different voices that are there in the panels. So for background we're using stable audio, for melody Magenta, and for voice we're using Suno. The first two models are not available for every device, for every edge device to use, so we are hosting it online.
So kind of how this works is we get Cloud Vision to go and look at each panel, which we've got a separate algorithm to kind of separate, and it creates a prompt, selects the mood, it transcribes the text in the comic, and then it sends it to Suno with a text preset to kind of create the voice of each character that we've come to know and love. So we wanted this to feel automatic, and it provides users the ability to also play along with the comic, and we really needed to orchestrate things together. So we hosted this on a cloud server, and we got the real time down to super low latency, so it feels real time on the web.
So the main problems that we kind of solved over here is kind of fix the reading order in which the panels are getting created. If in case it's Japanese, it's like left to right, and so on. And also we kind of reduce latency, as Julien kind of mentioned. And what we kind of want to do for the future is that scale it up for full chapters. Right now we are only targeting one particular page where we can create panels for them, but we want to do it for the whole chapter. And keep this app as light as possible.
All right, and then this is a quick demo of it live. They're happening.
Ow. Ow.
So it's reading off the panel.
What's happening
and
to
then
me?
we'll go, so imagine you want to pause, you want to like the
entire
vibe of the
body
panel.
is
You
charged
pause
with
on a
some
moment,
sort of
you explore the
fantastic
panel,
energy. Honk,
and
honk.
then you can go on and play it. And you can play on the panel, and it sets the right key with the one that was created for that panel, and then you can change presets. And
So that's time.
Thank you judges, thank you everyone.